Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this letter poster design using Canva. So sit back, let's go right into it. So go over to Canva, click on create a design, then pick a template you want to use for your design. I'm going to be using the YouTube thumbnail. Then go over to upload. Click on upload. Then you want to upload the image you want to use for your design. Then you drag and drop it in your workspace just like this. Then adjust the size. Adjust the size of the image. Then what you want to do next is to go over to elements and go over to frames. Then you want to type in the alphabet you want to use. I'm going to be using the letter H. So whichever alphabet you want to use, just type it in and select the one you want to use just like this. Then you drag the one you want to the image and adjust it to fit the design. Adjust it and make sure it fits what you want. Then what you do next is to go over to duplicating the image. So click on duplicate. Then you drag and drop that image into the frame alphabet just like this. Then you click on the alphabet frame and you adjust the image. Make sure it's the same size with the first image. So when you're done with that, you click on the frame. Then you duplicate that as well. Then you go over to edit. Click on edit. Then go over to adjust. Then you want to adjust the brightness to -100, just like this one. Then you go over to layers. Click on layers. Then you want to send this behind. So click on send behind. Then you have something like this. Then click on the first frame. Then go over to the border style. Click on border style. Then click on the line width and increase it to 6. Then go over to colors and put it in white. So just like this. Then when you're done with that, you go over to background remover. Click on background remover and you have something like this. So the next thing is to go over to layers. Click on layers. Then click on show layers. Then you want to take the horse to the top. Then you have this. Then you go over to duplicate the image just like this. Then you cut the first one to this extent like this. Then you click on the second image. Then you cut it again as well to this extent like this. Then you go over to share and download. Click on transparent background and you download. So after downloading, you want to upload this image back to Canva. So just go over to upload and upload this image we just saved. back to Canva. So the next thing you want to do is to add a new page. Then you go over to colors, background color, and you choose a color for your background. Then you bring in the image we just downloaded and place it into this background. Then go over to edit, click on edit, then go over to shadows, then click on drop, just like this. Then go over to adjust it, reduce the intensity, then the distance as well. Then when you're done with that, go over to duplicate. Then you want to flip this upside down. Go over to flip vertically. Then bring it down and place it like this. Then you go over to elements. Then search for square, type in square, then click on the shape, then go over to colors, and you want to go over to gradient and pick this particular gradient. Then you change the color to the color in the background. Then the second color you put it in transparent. Then you adjust it. Then you have something like this, guys. So you can as well change the background color to whichever you want, just like this. I think I prefer this. So at the end we have something like this, guys. When you're done, go over to share, click on download, remove that transparent background, then click on the page you want to download, which is page 2 now, and you go ahead to download. So guys, if you know this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye for now.